We were looking for the hotel rooms that can we were looking for the room. So we were looking for Hi everyone! I hope you are doing well and keeping safe. I'm Ella, and today I'm gonna share with you some tips on how to survive this long quarantine. This video also includes some stuff that you need to bring that's personally helpful for me during my quarantine. Of course, everyone has their different preference on how to spend their time in the quarantine, but the purpose of this video is just to give you some ideas or even some reminders. I hope this is helpful. Enjoy! So first I have to mention that this is probably cheating because I'm not exactly alone in this quarantine. I am now at Penta Hotel. I'm traveling with my friend and we booked the connecting room. 4 of us girls are traveling together from Hong Kong to Jakarta and then Jakarta back to Hong Kong. And having someone to do quarantine with you makes a lot of difference. We're looking for the room, so we were looking for
You can do it!
Hi friends! So we were looking for the hotel room that can accommodate the 4 of us. After all the searching, we finally managed to book 2 sets of connecting rooms in Penta Hotel.
For more and in-depth review of Penta Hotel as designated quarantine hotel is available on my previous video.
So now let's talk about what's keeping me sane during these 3 weeks. I'm just joking.
Tips on how to survive quarantine. Let's go.
Okay, surviving quarantine tip number 1, and I think it's the most important, is to have the right mindset. Keep it positive, guys, have the right attitude about it and try to enjoy. If you're having this kind of like, attitude that is gonna be a torture, I promise you. I'm not gonna say it's easy, but just please try. Because complaining doesn't help.
Hello! Just a quick update, guys. I am now on week 2 of my hotel quarantine. I'm doing this filter because it's so gloomy outside. It's been raining a lot, almost depressing. So let's just keep it happy. Okay, update time. The first week was really fine. The food was great, I can still enjoy it, I'm keeping busy, so no complaint. And I didn't feel the need to order from the restaurants outside. So week 1, all great. But honestly, coming into the middle of 2nd week, it's all started to get real. I'm not gonna lie, it's getting tougher in a sense that the need to go out and like the boredom started to kick in really bad. Getting bored of the food, but that's an easy fix because, you know, Food Panda and some kind friends deliver some food to me. But still, no matter how hard you try to keep yourself busy, the feeling's gonna be there. So I guess that's really normal, and if you're experiencing the same thing coming into the 2nd week, don't worry. We all feel it. So hopefully, coming into the 3rd week, we'll feel better because it means it's getting closer for us to be able to walk out that door.
Number 2 is daily routine. We make our list of activities to get the sense of daily routine. And for me, is to make these YouTube videos. Very time consuming. I recommend it. Excuse me. It can be very terrifying just to think about, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna be stuck in a hotel room for 3 weeks. I'm gonna lose my mind. I know. I was anxious too. But try to stick with the routine that you made. You'll be surprised on how fast day goes by. You don't have to make it full and busy, but Just try to stick with your simple routine. You don't have to do them every day. You'll need some days off too, just like a normal life outside quarantine. But then of course, it's easier for you to keep busy if you are actually busy. You have work to do, you have deadlines, you have Zoom meetings. But if you don't, like I do, I don't have any work to do. It can be challenging to stay sane during these 3 weeks. For some people, they're just playing their games all day. They just sleep, having lunch, play games, but then every day at least she does her workout. And then moving... Yes. Real life proof. But that's okay too, because at least she has this like achievement that, oh, at least I did some workout. Ya nggak? Okay, realistically speaking, I usually wake up around 10 or 11 in the morning, and then I wash my face, do my morning skincare routine, and then I'll have my breakfast. I'll cut some fruits, make smoothie, have some toast, then I'll have my breakfast. I do my dishes, kills time, and then I have some time to kill. Usually I'll just filming or editing some videos until usually lunchtime, and then I'll have my lunch. So in the afternoon, it's kind of like me time. Usually I make some tea, I go reading by the window, and again editing some videos just to wait some time before my workout. And then around like 4 or 5, I do my workout. After that, I'll wait a little bit before my shower, and I take my time. I put on my face mask, like body scrub, hair mask, everything. I'm really pampering myself. Favorite time of the day. And then after that, I'll prepare for dinner, and then again dishes. Then you have some time to kill, maybe movie nights, or you can play your games. Or for me, I'm not into games. I usually just browse the internet, calling some friends again, or talking to my families until it's bedtime. But then again, don't get me wrong, you don't have to be productive every day. You don't have to feel guilty for doing nothing. You just have to keep sane, keeping happy, enjoy the aircon in the hotel because outside it's super hot, or even like gloomy like hell. It's so depressing, so just enjoy. And I love being in the hotel room because it's way nicer than my own flat. I love the rain shower, how's the lighting, and it's bigger than my flat. So these little things that you can appreciate while you're there. If you don't feel like being productive at all, then don't. Take a rest. Just don't feel guilty about doing nothing. This is like literally your staycation. Treat it as your staycation. If you've been so tired from the journey and all the preparation, I understand, I get it. It's crazy. So take this moment to like rest and pamper yourself and just relax. Number 3, try new things. I'm sure life before Corona was so busy and very fast-paced. So you don't get to do the things that you want to do, like maybe stick to your yoga, or you know, workout, or even trying something, drawing lessons, dance lessons. So this is the perfect opportunity for you to do them. Literally, you got no more excuse. You have all the time in the world now, it's just how you are gonna spend it. So here's the list of things that I personally like that you can try during your quarantine. Number 1 is the home workout program from Chloe Ting. She has a lot of free programs on her website. Go check it out. The famous one is the 2-week shreds challenge. I was dying doing it, but I love it. Number 2 is the yoga channel from Yoga with Cassandra. She posts a lot of yoga options, from 10 minutes morning yoga to 1 hour doing vinyasa. I was sweating doing that. Such a great program. I really like her. The next one is the dance class or dance tutorial, if you're into it. This one is from Steezy. I think this is perfect because for the new joiner, you get the 7 days free trial for their online classes. The next one is the morning meditation. I don't do this every day, but I am trying, and I like this YouTube channel. Just 10 minutes in the morning or after your workout. Next tip is to call your loved one or your support systems. Give it a call, video call with your friends, families, always helps, or like a group phone call, video call via WhatsApp. That's what I always do. I think it helps a lot to stay connected, talking to your friends, your families. And then again, I think this is the perfect time for you to check up on your friends, the one you haven't really spoken to in a while. Just give them a call, see how they're doing. I think this is a difficult time for everybody. It's nice to check up on them, see how they're doing. Is everything okay? Crazy times right now. A lot of people are in quarantine also, or maybe their family members are like sick in the hospital, see if they need support. This is the best thing that we can do, is to support each other. With this a lot of times in your hand, I think it'll be very nice to just to check up on people, you know. Next tip, find something that you look forward to for the next day. Either it is activities or some food that you can order. For example, I'm craving these brownies from this restaurant that you can order or around your quarantine hotel. So going to bed, you'll feel excited for the next day, you know what I mean? Oh, I'm gonna call this friend, it's their birthday or something, video call them. Or the stuff that I did with my friends, we always celebrate every week. For example, the first week we were so excited to order this tam chai, some corn noodle, the spicy noodle. Oh my god, when the food came, we were like, yes! It builds up excitement because like, oh, 3 more days we can eat that tam chai, you know. We just have some goals to have something that we actually really like. That helps a lot to getting through this long quarantine. I promise you, find something exciting to do the next day or to eat the next day. I ask around some friends, the one who have been under quarantine before, and what tip they can give to survive this quarantine. So Jen, thank you, she mentioned something about that. After she wake up, do the morning skincare routine, and then she'll change clothes. So instead of wearing pajamas, she'll change into a regular, normal, comfortable clothes, just like a lounge clothes, you know, so it's not a pajama. She said that it changes her mood, that, you know, you're not in bed anymore, you're doing some stuff, even though it's just to have some coffee or tea, and it's not on the bed. If you have a twin bed, like I had a twin bed in my room, so I did like, this is the sleeping bed and the other one is for my sofa bed. I treat it. So if I'm doing my filming, or I'm eating, or I'm lounging or reading or anything, I wouldn't touch my sleeping bed. This is only for sleeping. I'm keeping it clean and exclusive only for sleeping. The rest of the activities, I do it on the sofa bed. But if you have a double bed or like a queen size, doesn't matter, hopefully you have sofa, so you can just sit there, do your activities, do your work, instead of being in bed for the whole day wearing your pajamas. So the changing clothes thing is very interesting. I didn't get to try that before, so you can try it out and see if you are in a better mood to spend the rest of your day. Another one from Corey, she mentioned about bringing a diffuser. I think it's really important to treat the hotel room as your own home. Like, you know, keeping it clean, keeping it comfortable, bring some stuff from home, or like make it homey, you know. Maybe like Corey mentioned, a diffuser. Your room will smell nice and then you'll feel more comfortable, and it's not like very dragging, like you're in jail or something like that. That's a bad word, I hate it. But yeah, so you don't feel like stuck in a strange room, you know. You want to make it like comfortable and homey. You can bring some photo frame, like I know it's a bit of work, but to get to that comfort level, you need to put a little bit of effort, I feel like, and that's okay. Just to make it feel more like home. The next tip is to bring some cutlery set, or even some chinaware, like plates and bowls, so you don't have to like eat every time out of the box or like a container or something. Some people actually put their meal nicely, put it nicely in a chinaware, and then with a little tablecloth or something, so it'll be nice. just to make the food even more appetizing and it looks nicer and you kinda like enjoy maybe by the window or something. So that's a great tip.
So now, these are the things that really help me during my quarantine. First up is all my workout equipment. Next up, all the snacks. Oh, this is important. Chili sauce. Thanks, Mom. I brought my own cutleries, a mug, a Tupperware, knives and scissors to cut my fruits, another container, portable juicer for my smoothie, dish soap, and the sponge. Oh, this is super helpful. Look at this. Yes, a drying rack. I brought my speaker, HDMI cable, power extension socket, drying clips, foldable bucket, detergent, and this is all of my home spa products. I got my hair mask, face scrub, body scrub, and all of my skincare. So next up is all the cleaning kits to clean my room. I brought some small towel, some cloth, and this is really important, the disinfectant liquid.
Okay, it's getting dark outside. The lighting is a bit off now. I'm so sorry. I'll wrap this up. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this is helpful, even just a little bit. Good luck for you who's about to facing this long quarantine. I know this is not easy, this is dragging, but we have to do it. If you have any cool tips that you think that's helpful to make this long quarantine easier, please do share on the comment below. I will appreciate it. I'm sure the viewers also appreciate that. If you see values and find this helpful, consider subscribing. Thanks again. I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.